Mateus, you want to do something fun? Stay on my ass. Ready? Let's go. Watch the Sinclair. Good kill! I was aiming at the wrong person. You're good. Stay in here. Or die. That works too. Or, you know, get shot. That works too.
You just need to protect that bomb.
Yep. Well, and we don't want too many people hanging back here.
Yeah.
We want to keep making them fight to get to the ground. So now, I want to teach you how to kick doors. It's going to be fun. We're going to go hard up the left. And we're just going to keep going and dying and going and dying and keep them being a pain in their ass. Ready?
Yep.
Rojas, you're good to move up. Rojas, you're good. That was good. That was good.
Damn it.
Well, it's okay. We keep drawing their attention on there. And they're going to keep pouring bodies over there. That's what I want them to do. The more bodies that they're pulling away from the bomb, the better. That's game. That's okay. No, that's game. We won. Game over. Mags out, socks on, boys. Shoot it?
Sure.
Let me get the sling off me here. Come on, huh? You want to see some suppressing fire with a shotgun? Yeah. Check this out. Hey man, it gets the job done sometimes. Mags out, socks on, guys. Let's see it. Oh.